Pam and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome on in, and if you are returning channel family, welcome home. I have for you today an unboxing from Diamond Dotz. Yeah, I do love me some Diamond Dotz. I do. They have such nice canvases and their drills are gorgeous. They are so sparkly. This one is called Gardener's Paradise. It is considered their advanced expert level, I guess, just because how big it is and how detailed it is. Let me show you. The box is pretty big, so I'm assuming this canvas is pretty big. You have Diamond Dotz, Add Some Sparkle to Your World, all-inclusive diamond facet art kit. Let me see. Design area. Design size. Oh, good Lord. The design size is 100 by 74. What were you thinking, Pam? This looks pretty confetti heavy. Oh my God. Okay. Fabric size is 108 by 82. It does not have... Shoot. Doesn't have how many diamonds are on it. Oh, I hope it has it on the inside. If not, I have to count them. Oh, makes me sad. Number of colors. Oh no, wait, it does have it. Oh, yay, thank you, Diamond Dotz. Number of colors, 43. Dots count. Well, that's not too bad. 59,434. That's not bad. So I'm thinking this is probably a partial, if that's all the diamonds it has. Because if it was a full, it would be 100 at least. Okay. All right, so it's probably a partial. All right, let's check it out. I'm not going to be sad if it's a partial. Actually, I used to hate partials, but I've done a few. I still don't really care for them, but I've done a few Diamond Dotz that were partials, and I didn't mind it. I didn't mind it. I just finished one recently that was a partial, and yeah, I didn't hate it. It looked good. Oh, all right. Let's see. Oh, by the time I see this huge thing, I'm probably going to be glad it's partial. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Here are the diamonds. I'm probably not going to take them out of here or I'll never get them back in. But get up here so you can see. They look amazing. Diamond Dotz has gorgeous round drills. They really do. They are so faceted that they just sparkle. Like you don't even need an AB for it to sparkle. Ooh, I've got a loose diamond in there. It's just one though. A lot of green, but I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of gardening stuff in there. And you can see their toolkit has 2 straw pens, baggies, a gray boat. Actually, here, I'm just going to take that one out because I can't really see it. Let's see. Yeah, there's extra baggies in here. 2 straw pens with the single placer. Squishies. A container with... trying to see how many wax in there. 1, 2, 3 things of wax. 2 squishies, a straightener, a smaller straightener. This looks like about an 8 placer maybe. And that looks about 6. And then this is just their single placer pen. It's pretty typical of Diamond Dotz with the little rhinestone on the top of it, but it's just a single placer. They're very comfortable to hold. I honestly don't really use them that often just because I'm really not much of a single placer, but they're comfortable to use. Okay. Oh, now you can see all these pretty colors. Look how pretty. Oh, I think I see a couple of ABs in here too. Matter of fact, I'm sure I do. Let's look at the canvas and see. All right. Diamond Dotz has fabulous canvases. All right. The only issue I have with their canvases is that they seriously roll their canvas so tight that it takes forever to get it straightened out. Yeah, I can tell it is a partial. I can see it. Oh my goodness, it's so big. Okay, hang on. I just wanted to unroll it and let it start trying to breathe a little bit. All right. So here is their instruction thing. I think their instruction thing is so cool. It is so inclusive because it has instructions in a gazillion languages. English, French, what is that? Spanish, that is German, that is Finnish, Finland? What do they speak in Finland? That's what that looks like. I have no idea what that is. Anybody know what that is? I'm not sure. That's Italian. That's Russian. Don't know. I actually think that's Romanian. Not sure what that is. Dutch. Yeah, I recognize the Dutch. That's Dutch. Don't know. Don't know. Norwegian? And something Arabic. Oh, that's pretty cool though. How cool that is. I love that. Way to be inclusive, Diamond Dotz. It's awesome. All right. Good grief. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to show this whole thing. Oh, I'm going to have to do it in stages. So it is a partial, which honestly, thank goodness, because it's so big. Let's see if that'll release it a little bit. Oh, this is really going to be pretty. I almost wish I had like a, what do you call that? A she shed? So I could put this on a wall in there. because that would be gorgeous. Oh, let's straighten out. There you go. Oh, that's better. So this is super sticky. Do not get stuck on yourself. There. Ugh. My goodness, it's literally bigger than my table. All right, so we're gonna have to do this in stages, I'm afraid. All right, let's see. Let's start. Over here. So you can see the parts that are diamond painted. All right, like this whole tree is diamond painted. Some of the things up on the shelves are diamond painted. The background is what's not. Like this background is not diamond painted. This is printed. But these flowers down here, the flowers in the pots, then moving towards the middle, all of this down here is diamond painted. The tables, the stool, these pots are all diamond painted. Tables, pots, the sink is not, but all of this is diamond painted. That big hanging basket back there is diamond painted. The stuff in the windows and the rafters on the ceiling are not. They're printed. Here, let's get this guy over here. All right, so again, up here, these big things right here, these big hanging baskets here are all diamond painted. And the flowers down here are all diamond painted. And this table and all of this back here is all diamond painted. And then of course, as per Diamond Dotz usual, they have that nice big frame all around it that is not diamond painted. So you don't have to wash your painting. And the glue literally stops right there, right where the colors are. There are 43 colors. Here, there's a legend on this side, and there's a legend on the other side up there. I'll show you up here. I mean, this is so big, you really wouldn't be able to work on this without rolling it and flipping it. I mean, even though I work on a drafting table, so I have a large area to work on, and there's no way I could, this would have to be like scrolled and worked on as I went along. So yeah, I'm actually kind of glad that this is not completely full drill, or this would take forever. But this is going to be beautiful. The drills, the diamonds are gorgeous. And they sparkle in here. They're so sparkly. They look, and there are a couple of ABs I see. And I don't know how to tell on their, by their numbers, what is an AB and what isn't. They don't use, Diamond Dotz does not use standard DMC. They have their own colors, but I can tell you there's at least 2. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna have to look. I don't want to tell you a lie. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is an AB. This is an AB. This is an AB. So yeah, there's at least 3 ABs in here. So it's going to be even extra sparkly. Awesome. All right, let's close that back up. Sorry, I know that's so loud. That's so loud. All right, so this is gorgeous. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I opened it up so you could see it. I did buy this on the Diamond Dotz website, so I will post a link. If there's a link for it still, I will post a link on it in case you want to go check it out. All right. I guess that's all I got for you for today for this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you sticking around to listen. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Be happy, be healthy, be wealthy, be awesome, be all the great things there are to be. And I will see you guys next time.